How do you assess whether a decision is worth taking? Do you shy away from decisions for fear of what might happen? How do you decide which decisions are worth the risk? Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to share another critical thinking tool that will help you to assess risk and make more balanced decisions. The risk versus likelihood matrix is a game changer whether you're managing a project, planning future investments, or simply making decisions in an uncertain environment. At the end of the video, I'll share where you can access a free downloadable template to help you to make better decisions. Well, first, it allows for a clear visualization of potential risks and their probabilities, making complex assessments more digestible. Secondly, it aids in prioritising actions based on the severity and likelihood of risks, ensuring resources are allocated effectively. And lastly, it facilitates better communication and understanding among team members or stakeholders by providing a common framework for discussing risks. The risk versus likelihood matrix is incredibly flexible and can be used in various scenarios, such as when planning projects to identify and mitigate potential risks, in strategic planning to assess the risk landscape of new ventures, personal decisions where understanding potential risks is crucial. In fact, anytime you're faced with uncertainty and need a structured way to evaluate your next steps, this matrix could be used. You can see on the vertical axis is risk, high at the top and low at the bottom. On the horizontal axis is likelihood, high on the right and low on the left. Think of various risks associated with your decision or project. Evaluate both the severity of the risk, high or low, and its likelihood, high or low. Then place each scenario in the appropriate quadrant. Scenarios in the high risk, high likelihood quadrant demand immediate attention and mitigation strategies. Those in the low risk, low likelihood quadrant may require less immediate action. Use this analysis to prioritise your focus and resources. For each quadrant, develop appropriate strategies. The risk versus likelihood matrix is more than just a tool. It's a strategic approach to understanding and managing uncertainty. By assessing your risk systematically, you can prepare for potential challenges more effectively and navigate your projects, investments and decisions with greater confidence. 2x2 matrices are great for taking your creative thinking and distilling it down to what matters and prioritising where to focus your attention. Check out the description below for links to our other tools and how to use them. If you've got value from this video, you know what to do. Drop us a like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.